Hey everyone, welcome to another lesson with me. I'm your guide to learning English in a simple and enjoyable way. Today, we're going to uncover the different meanings of the phrasal verb break down. It's quite interesting how one phrase can have such different uses. Let's get started. Meaning 1, stop working. The first meaning of breakdown is when something stops working, usually a machine or a vehicle. For example, my washing machine broke down yesterday and I had to call a repairman. Our car broke down on the way to the beach and we had to wait for a tow truck. Meaning 2, start crying. The second meaning of breakdown is when someone starts crying, often due to strong emotions. For example, when she heard the sad news, she broke down and cried for hours. He broke down during this speech because he was so overwhelmed with emotion. And there you have it, breakdown can mean to stop working or to start crying, depending on the context. Pretty cool, right? Now, I'm curious to know what are some other phrasal verbs you know that have different meanings. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and fun English lessons. Keep learning, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.